Hello everyone and welcome back to Mom Essy Kitchen and More. And on today's recipe we are making super easy, soft and buttery cookies using just 5 ingredients. Did you hear that? These chocolate chip cookies are perfect for any day of the week. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Here are the list of ingredients: nicely lined of 500 grams of all-purpose flour, nicely sieved, 150 grams of milk. Here is 8 tablespoons of sugar, and behind here I have the chocolate chips, which will be laying on top of each and every of the dough on the baking tray. So also I have the butter, which is at room temperature. That's all we are needing for this great recipe. So first thing here, we are going to be doing what? Combining the butter and what? And the sugar. And people, this butter is at room temperature and is measuring 150 grams because I've taken out some out of it. So it is 150 grams of butter that we are using to make this. And remember, the texture of the butter matters a lot. If you want it to be soft, let it be at what? Room temperature. And that texture make it to melt away in your mouth. So just make sure you take everything together and then mix and mix. When the butter is becoming softer, add in the sugar, and after that, people, just cream and cream until you see that this has been nicely combined. This doesn't take your time. You can see we are not using mixer, meaning you can do it with a mixer. Yes. Now add in the flour gradually. I divided into 2 batches, and then you do what? When you stir a little, add in the milk to do what? Help you to do what? Mix it properly. Gradually. Remember, it can splash, yes, and when it splashes, it's not a problem. So just keep doing what you're doing. Add also a little milk. If you think it's too thick, then add in the remaining flour. This is just very simple, and the truth is all these ingredients can be found in your kitchen. If you don't have the chocolate chips, please forget it. It's optional. See, I'm adding gradually. Remember, I said it's 150 grams of milk, but I am not using the whole of it. Just adding gently so that you achieve the consistency with ease. As you can see, yes, this is the remaining milk. I didn't use that. I set that aside and I'm just stirring and stirring. So people, at this point, make sure you like this video, share to your friends and families, and also don't forget to do what? Leave a resounding comment at the end. And in case you're new, remember to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you be among the first to be notified anytime I upload new videos. Check out the consistency we are talking about. So here is my pumping set for cookies. So I'm going to be showing you the noodle I'm using. Look at it. I'm just opening that. That is how it is inside, and look at it. This is what I'm going to be using, and I also have another one I can switch. That's what I'm just showing to you. So let's start scooping into it. Here comes my baking tray, because that's where we are going to work on to make sure this comes out. So keep watching every step of this part. Don't skip any part, because if you skip it, then you won't get it. So see how it's going in gradually. I'm using the spoon to scoop in, and it's just going in. Remember the consistency I talked about. I just wanted it to be light so that it will just melt as expected. So keep watching, people. The pumping part is the hardest part of it. Pump and release your hands and it drops. This is just how this set is. It is not too difficult to achieve, but with patience you'll get it. You will get it without even knowing that you've gotten it. So that is just it. That is the process going on here, and keep watching. So you can see I'm just putting in the whole chocolate chip on top of it, and I've preheated my oven, and I say like and like, and this time it is time to go into the oven. We are going to be baking this at 180 degrees centigrade, which is also 375 Fahrenheit. So this is what it is. I baked for 10 to 12 minutes and I got what I wanted. Yes, and here is the outcome after 12 minutes. This is what it is. Do you see how it's looking? Yes, breaking little too, and you can see, oh my word, my daughter was just by my side trying to grab this. I said, wait, before I lose pictures for my thumbnail. So I tasted, oh my word, it was really worth it. Very easy to make, and I know you've enjoyed this recipe. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with friends and families, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes from Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Thanks for watching up to this time, and it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.